first thing I need to do is remove the existing toilet seat because the new Tushy Bidet mounts underneath that. Okay, so now we're going to mount the actual Tushy Bidet attachment by lining up our holes. That's funny. Lining up our holes for the top mount. These swivel and are adjustable, so they'll fit any toilet. And you don't have to be exact because they'll move around as you tighten it up. But this is where it'll mount, and then I'll go ahead and put the toilet seat on top, put the pins back down, screw it back down, and then we'll work on our water connections. I'm not going to put it down very tight yet until I get everything lined up exactly the way I want it. Make sure that everything is lined up. And there it is, it's mounted. Now we'll do our water connections. So I already have the water turned off. That was step number 1 when you're doing any kind of work on any type toilet or sink. So now what I'm going to do is unthread the valve for the toilet itself. I give it a little quick flush to relieve any water pressure that's on that. Now, unlike a regular home toilet, RV toilets are 1/2" thread, not 7/8. So we're going to have to make some modifications here to how this gets tied in. What I've done is I've purchased a 2-way isolation valve. This was about the best fitting I could find at Lowe's today. What I'm going to do is put a male connector from 1/2 to 1/2, and then we're going to feed one line out to the bidet and one line out back to the toilet. We put on our Teflon tape so that we won't have any leaks.
At this point, some of you may be asking yourselves, why do I need a bidet in my RV? Well, let me tell you, it's because you want a clean Tushy. It is hygienic, it is cleanliness at its best. And we understand that sometimes when you're boondocking or you may not be connected to sewer and water, it could be difficult. But in those times that you are connected and have full hookups, it is a must-have.
Now we'll have one hose come out of here into our toilet and one hose come out the back and up to our bidet. Now we'll water test both fittings, make sure that there's no leaks, and all is dry, all is dry, all is dry, all is dry. Toilet flushes. Check the bidet operation with the wash cycle first, so that I'm not spraying water all over the bathroom. I'm going to do this slowly. This model washes the nozzle first, so as you start to turn it, the water comes down and washes the nozzle. Put my hand in front of it though so it doesn't spray water all over me. And then as you continue, then you get the spray bottle. This one is adjustable. You can adjust the stream forward and backwards. And as you start to close it off again, it goes back to wash at the end cycle. And that's it. One bidet, easily installed in your RV. So if you enjoyed this little quick tutorial on how to install a bidet in your RV, please like, subscribe, follow, ring the bell. And as I make upgrades and changes to this Brinkley G3250, I will post them on YouTube. Until next time, bye.